Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk to you about these needle nose fruit pruners. I have had this actual set, for about 6 years. Okay, now I don't leave them out in the rain. I don't leave them outside. I actually store them in a nice, cool, dry area when I'm not using them. But one of the things that I really love about them, number one, is that it has this spring here, so it automatically bounces back. You don't actually have to use your hand to open and close them. The second thing is that it's got this extremely sharp point on the end, so when you're trying to go ahead and trim something and you're wanting to go ahead and get in those small little spaces, you can actually do so because of the sharp point on the end. Now, there is kind of this little strap here. Now mine are super old, so I think at one point this was black and it, kind of looked like leather or whatever, like as if it was a leather strap. Now the only thing I don't like about the strap is that as soon as I go ahead and put it out, what tends to happen is that it automatically moves back when I am trying to use them. So I have to be very, very cautious that I actually will take it and I will put my finger around it so that I can actually use them and hold this little strap out of the way. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do when this little strap breaks because it's just kind of like a little piece of fabric. I guess I may have to figure out how to be able to take this off and, drill another piece of fabric or something on there. But I just wanted to go ahead and actually show that to you because these are by far extremely sharp, great pruning shears. And I have used them on things as small as, small little flower bushes all the way up to fruit trees that have a diameter the size of my pinky. So, and I don't have a problem with cutting anything down. So I just wanted to go ahead and show those to you.